Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be doing some more alphabet art. We're going to be doing things that start with the letter K. Alright, let's do the little swing to help us remember. We're going to do kitty, kite, and koala. Kitty starts with the K, cat starts with a C, but we're doing a kitty. Okay? Alright. Ready, set, go. Big K, little K. What begins with K? Kitty, kite, koala. K, K, K. Alright, let's get started. We're just drawing their faces. Okay, so let's start with the kitty right over here. We're gonna draw an oval for her eye, and then another oval. And then I'm gonna have her looking off to the side. And I'll leave a little reflection in there. And I think I want to give her some eyelashes. And a nose. So we'll do a line. And then two little lines down. Bring it together. And then a line down. Oh, this is cute. Then we can give her like a little smile off to the side. And some little polka dots for the whiskers. And then we're going to draw a triangle right here. And then a bigger triangle on top of it, like that. And then I'll draw another triangle over here. And a bigger triangle on top of it. And then we're going to bring it together. Oh, and you can do little tufts of fur right there. Ooh, yeah, that's right. We do little tufts of fur off to the side. There we go. And one over here too. And then you bring it together. Oh, that's cute. I'm going to make her smile a little bigger. There we go.
You should do whiskers.
Oh, I forgot my whiskers. Oh, that does make it so much cuter. There's our kitty. And we're just doing the face. Okay. All right, now we're going to do a kite. So a kite is a diamond shape. So you do two lines like that. And then another line coming down. You bring it together into the diamond. And then you make
you can do little
two cross
flowers
lines.
if you want on them.
Yeah, or a bow. Two little ovals and a line coming down. And then, yeah, the string can go down here. And that's easy. That's how you make a kite. Oh, and yeah, you can do little things along the way. That's cute. All right, should we draw a koal? The thing that you hold at the bottom of the kite? That has the string, huh? Very cute.
I made the string.
Very good. All right, now it's time for the koala. All right, for the koala, you're going to
Let's
make...
do first her ears.
No, the nose first, because you need to make the egg shape for her nose, like that. And then you're going to make two ovals on either side of her nose. And leave a little highlight in there. We got an oval on each side. And then some little eyelashes. And then we're going to give her a little smile too. And then I'm going to give her a little flower right next to her eye. So you do a circle and then some petals coming out. Oops, did you do yours too close to the kite? You could do it over here instead. And then I'm going to give another set of petals right here. It's a nice big flower. And then her face, you do this shape around her. It's kind of like a circle, but it kind of comes off to the sides a little bit more. Gets a little closer at the top. So that's the koala's face. And then she has big ears. So you do an ear going off to this side with some little tufts of fur going off. Then it comes in. And then you can just make like an oval shape right there. And then the same thing over here behind the flower. Some tufts of fur coming down. And then the oval inside. And that's our koala. Oh, cute. All right. Oh, cute. I love your koala. That is so cute. All right, now we can draw a big K and a little K.
Wait. I'm gonna do here.
So we do a line. And big K and little K look like each other.
The little K is like this.
Uh-huh. The only difference, yeah, between big K and little K is sometimes you can do the line that way and then this line comes out of that one. So that's the only big difference. But one is big, has a long line, and then kind of a sideways triangle shape that comes out. All right, that's our big K and our little K. Do you want me to show how to draw the block letter too for K?
You can do like
A line, and then those two lines come together, and then it comes down halfway, and then up, and then over, and down, and then it comes back out, and then a line, and then it goes to there, and then down. So that's how you do it, is block letter.
Do you like how my little K is?
Oh, that is so cute. Good job. All right, are we ready to color this? Let's color it in time lapse. You did awesome. And I hope you guys had fun drawing things that start with the letter K. We will see you next time when we draw things that start with the letter... What comes after K?
M.
L. We'll see you next time.
I can only remember lion and lollipop.
That's so funny. All right, we'll see you next time.